Esa fuman con los MP. Who them be? Waiting them put, waiting I do, waiting them.
Officer, SP the call.
They're mad. You know how they do it.
Officer, good morning.
Morning this time.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Calm down, calm down.
Officer, come down, pa. This early morning.
I will slap you. Wait till they worry. Come down if they ask a question. My friend, come on, calm down.
Nah, this Naija, I tell you.
Oga, calm down now.
I go slap. If I slap you, you no go like yourself. Calm down. And you. Calm down.
Officer, what is it, officer?
Very good. Where's your phone?
My phone, pa.
I just stand my slap you. Go get me your phone. iPhone. iPhone now you carry.
I know.
It's alright. Hey. Open up. Unlock up.
Nah, officer, which
I will slap you. Unlock this thing, my friend. Unlock it.
I tire for online. I don't understand again.
Unlock that thing. Unlock it.
Hey, then we no go chop again, Abi.
Oga, you go chop up, oh.
Wow. Wait till you carry this app, they do. This app. Hey.
These boys.
Okay.
Get these boys, oh.
This is not my WhatsApp app now. Person know they go in WhatsApp for phone. My WhatsApp app.
WhatsApp app.
Bring your phone, my son.
Officer, you supposed to check our phone.
Bring your phone, my son.
You collect my phone. They put my phone for pocket.
Bring your phone.
Officer, take.
Where is the other phone?
Right.
Where your better? Bring all of them. Hold this nonsense. None they cause trouble for this country.
Officer, not chop when we go chop now.
Open them, make I see.
See the way they open up.
Hey, open this one. Open up.
See them.
Very good. Done. I know understand. It's very good.
Where are you people going?
You want go chop for that restaurant where they there. Now chop, you want go chop.
Chop now, one go chop.
Now chop, you want go chop
I
now.
want go chop food. I want go chop money.
As soon as dress like this, no, I want go chop.
May we no dress well again,
So,
officer.
may we hear boss and
May we no dress well again.
no dress. I be waiting. See, Mike, if I slap you, me and you no be mate. If I slap you now, you go black. My friend. If you jump, look at how you are dressed, and you are telling me you are a Yahoo boy. You are a Yahoo boy.
No, you're a Yahoo boy. Yes, you're a fucking Yahoo boy.
You're a Yahoo boy.
Now wow.
And if you talk, what's the problem? Officer, you're a Yahoo boy. Don't talk rubbish.
See, you are embarrassing us here.
You are rubbish. I will slap you.
You are embarrassing us
Don't
here.
point at me. You're a Yahoo boy. Idiot. See,
you are embarrassing us
you
here.
are under arrest. For what? 12 years under arrest for dressing clean like this and having this kind of phone. For dressing like this
To go
and
and
having
eat.
this kind of
Ordinary eat, oh.
ordinary eat. Now you not dress like this.
Officer, you are embarrassing us here.
Might tell you something. If una want make we settle this thing amicably, 150 na for office.
Yes.
Yeah, if una have 70,000, una do transfer.
What is it? 115 naira be which 150?
150,000, guy.
150,000 for what?
Oh yeah, start this motor. We dey go to station. We are going to station.
None. Wallahi, I no fit give you people 1 naira for this place. I no fit give you people 1 naira for this place.
You don't give us 1 naira.
I no fit give us 1 naira for this place.
Officer, huh? Are you mad? Officer, are you mad? Officer, you talk. I don't respect you. What's wrong with you? Huh?
You're waiting at
No problem.
Guy, give him that thing, make it do transfer. You're mad.
Question.
Transfer now before I go fire you now. Oh yeah.
Hey.
Transfer sharp.
Hey. Save our time. We don't have time. We have other customers coming.
I no carry money. I no carry anything. Come here. I know.
You don't carry money.
I no carry money. I no carry anything.
You don't carry ATM.
Why go transfer now? Why go transfer? What will do?
This guy.
Oh yeah. Guy, Mona, enter motor station.
Where your key?
We are going to the station.
Wait. This is the way that they do no good though.
No problem.
This is the way that they do no good though.
No problem. No, they spoil this country.
You no good though.
No problem. Give her this thing. Don't say you want go chop. Now just stop us here. They collect money from us. Don't say you want go chop. Yeah. See this thing what they do no good.
See where this guy dey na Mastercard.
Bring her this thing. Now they give her make it transfer.
Put am.
You don't go now. See how they go. Very good. How are you? Go there. Wetin dey worry yourself? Officer, this thing when they do no good though.
I no fit transfer it for a year.
You no fit transfer it
I no fit transfer it for a year.
You still carry one eye. They tell you no fit transfer anything.
You no fit transfer it for a year.
I no fit transfer it for a year.
Wait, you no fit transfer it for you no fit transfer it for a year. You no idiot. Guy.